Hi guys, so I just got an alert on my BTC trade, Bitcoin USDT. Alert went off over here for a shorting opportunity for myself. Why? It's because I wanted to see this area get cleared because of all the volatility happening between buyers and sellers fighting between this range. It broke in trend yesterday from an uptrend, so it looked pretty solid and strong to keep carrying up. But as soon as it broke, my EMAs crossed. The EMAs being this green and this red line here. When those cross, usually that indicates for me is another confirmation of change in trend, change in price direction, and it gives me another bias of what to look at when I'm looking at trading the market. So because I thought yesterday was going to be an uptrend, there was a supply block here yesterday that could have turned it around. Obviously it got smashed through this area here, and when it broke this trend line I thought it was just going to be a bit of a pullback. So a pullback is just when price goes up, comes back down, that creates market structure. So price goes up, higher high, comes back down, higher low, and higher low is a pullback, so usually it'll carry on being a higher high. But yeah, so broke through the trend line, EMA's cross, indicated it was going to be a bear market. I needed to look for something else to confirm that as well. So when it cleared all this area here, just double click on it, because we're above the histogram here, that still indicates it's quite high in price in a bear market, a bull market. So it crossed here. So because these are lagging indicators, you can't always trust them, but they can be confirmation, but it depends on how your trade style is and your hunger within this game. So it crossed here, and it come down a bit, broke my trend, crossed on the EMA, so there's three confirmations there for me. Started forming new market structure, so lower lows, lower high, lower low, and that's another confirmation for me that we're already in a downtrend. And now it's past this area and this range where price was consolidating, or a lot of volatility between buyers and sellers. I was waiting for it to clear this area, so it cleared this area. Now I'm waiting for it to retest my resistance now that was support, and if it comes back to here and retest and it's nice and solid, everything else looks good, I'm going to take a short on this entry right down to the next demand zone, because in this area here, this is where they're going to be buyers sitting that will help purchase this asset and will direct where price goes, so it will push price back up, and it's just safer to take profit before then. Cool guys, if you guys want to learn this, we've got an event tonight. Jump on board or give me a message or comment on this video, and I'll send you guys the link. Have a good day, WHANAU.